This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by signing in with your Microsoft account because parental controls sync through the cloud. Once signed in, open Settings and go straight to Accounts. Make sure updates are current to avoid missing features. Then add or confirm the child's Microsoft account under Family and other users. If the child lacks an account, create an account now. This link forms the control point for screen time, content filters, and activity reports, so you can manage settings reliably across devices. Once done, open the Microsoft Family web portal or Settings Accounts Family to access detailed controls. Use the Family portal for granular rules that sync instantly. Start by enabling screen time and set allowed hours and limits per device or app. Then add app and game restrictions with age ratings. Next, configure content filters. Block inappropriate sites, enable safe search, and restrict purchases by requiring approval. These steps ensure safe browsing and controlled. Finish by reviewing activity reports to verify rules work and adjust limits if needed. Make sure you test on the child's device so you see real behavior. If an app or site still appears, refine filters and check device-level settings. Sometimes signed-in accounts differ between apps and browser profiles. If controls don't apply, re-authenticate the child's account on that device or remove and re-add the child in Microsoft Family. This typically resolves sync errors and ensures controls take effect immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.